Welcome to Digital Manzoor, Performance Marketing Module 5. So campaign setup and optimization. Before starting that, again, people who are watching in the new first time to watching this video, please watch module 1 and module 2, 3, 4. Please make sure to check it out and before diving to these models, so it will lay down the foundation for everything here we will cover there. Okay, so let's start about campaign setup and optimization. So choosing the right campaign objective. So now first step is choosing the right campaign objective. Your objective should be a aligned with your funnel stage and goals. For example, if you are targeting a cold audience at the TOEFL stage, you might be choose awareness objective. Okay, if you are trying to generate leads at the MOFO stage, you might choose lead generation. Okay, objective. So choosing the wrong objective can lead to wasted ad spend. So it's important to get this right. It's like setting the right destination on your GPS. So if you enter the wrong address, you will end up the wrong place. As simple as. Okay. Then meta ad setup walkthrough. Okay. The step-by-step guide for setting up the campaigns in meta administrators. So here you just need to budget allocation will be there. So creative session, it will provide tips avoiding the common mistakes, can detail your campaign. So it is following the detailed instruction manual. I will guide you through each step to ensure to set up your campaign directly. So this is the theory. Again, I will show the practically in another video. So basically, before you set up the campaign, you need to go to meta ads manager, then then you create a campaign. So there you will find the objective of the campaign, like awareness, conversion, engagement. That then after that, audience targeting, budget, ad placement, and creative selection will be there. Okay, so that I will show you in the practical way in my dashboard. So then Google ad structure, against campaign, ad groups, keywords, ads in there. Organize your campaigns around specific theme and product. Use relevant keywords to target your audience. Okay, so basically within the campaign you need to organize the theme of the product. So you'll create ad groups and target your specific keywords, and within each ad group you will create ads that are relevant to those keywords. Okay, it's like organizing your first files on your computer. So you need to create a logical structure to find what you need quickly and easily. Okay, then budget allocation strategy. This will be available in meta ads. So CBO is campaign budget optimization. So when it comes to budget allocation, you have two main options in meta: CBO and versus ABO. So CBO is campaign optimization. It allows the automatically allocate your budget across all your ad set using it algorithm to find the best opportunities. ABO is good one. Okay, the CBO is to find the best opportunities. The ABO is ad set budget optimization. It requires to manually to set your budget for each ad set, giving more control. Okay. CBO is generally recommended for the beginners as it can help you optimize your budget more effectively. It's like a choosing between the autopilot and manual control. Okay, CBO lets the system do the work for you, while ABO puts you in the driver's seat. Okay, Then A/B testing and the scaling framework. A/B testing is crucial for identifying the winning variations and scaling your campaign. So when A/B testing, make sure you test one variable at a time, such as headline or image. Once you identify the winning variation, you can scale your budget to reach wider audience. And remember to continuously test and optimize to maintain peak performance. Okay, it's like a running series for the experiment. You need to be isolate the variables to understanding the what driving the results. Okay, then optimization schedule. To stay on top of your campaigns, create optimization schedules on a daily basis, monitor performance and adjust beats, okay, as needed. On a weekly basis, analyze the trends and test creatives. Okay, consistency is a key to success. So stick on your schedule and make sure you regularly optimize your campaigns. It's like following your workout routine. So you need to stay consistency to see the results. Okay, setting up conversion tracking. So in Meta or Google Tag. So conversion tracking is essential for the measuring the success of your campaign. So use Meta App Excel and Google Tag Manager to track conversion on your website or landing pages. Ensure you have to accurate the data so you can optimize your campaigns effectively. So and always verify that your tracking is working correctly. It's like installing security system. You need to make sure it's working properly to protect your assets. Then automatic performance insights. See, automatic performance insights can save your time and improve your decision making. So use reports tools, automate the data analysis, set up your alert to key performance indicator KPIs. Okay, so you notified when something needs your attention. It's like hiring an assistant. Okay, so you can delegate tasks to free up your time and focus on more important things which need to scale the campaigns. Then, so here the campaign setup checklist. Before launching any campaign, run this checklist. Is your objective aligned with your goals or not? Is your targeting well defined? If is your budget appropriate? Are you creative, high quality? Okay, and your tracking setup correctly or not? Okay, if your answer is yes, then to all these above questions, you are ready to launch. One, objective aligned with your goals, targeting with well defined, budget is appropriate, pages are high quality, and tracking setup correctly. These are the primary checklists of the campaign. So then it's like a pre-flight checklist. You need to make sure everything is in order before you take off. Then optimization checklist. So here the optimization checklist to help you maintain your peak performance. Monitor your campaigns daily, A/B test creatives regularly, adjust the bids based on your data, refine your targeting as needed, stay up to date with the platform changes, so you can adopt your strategies accordingly. It's like a maintenance schedule. So you need to perform regular checkups to keep your campaign running smoothly. So that's it for this module 5. So see you the next module, measurement and analytics. Okay, if you are watching the first time, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any queries, please guys comment in the box. I will help you on your best. Even if I miss anything, whatever I guide here, please comment in the box. So I will also confirm you with whatever. If I miss anything, I will go back and I will check and I will give the proper information. Okay, thank you so much.